Hello, my name is George Moore, owner of Moore's Sewing Center in Southern California, and I'm here to introduce the SewFine cabinets. These cabinets are high quality, fully assembled, affordable cabinets that offer amazing versatility in design and ergonomics. From a large expandable space to very compact cabinets that can fit in even the smallest nooks. These cabinets really offer some amazing options with a wide variety of colors and design. They are manufactured using a thicker material than the typical cabinets in its class, and all come with very durable locking casters already installed. The German designed pneumatic lift system offers 3 positions, one for storage, one that comes up at the perfect level for sewing, and one that's up so you can use the open arm. Let's take a tour of all the various models of the SewFine cabinet line. The Hideaway Deluxe is actually our best-selling cabinet. It gets its name by the unique doors that hide away into the cabinet, giving the best combination of design as well as compact style. The floorboard on this cabinet is unique in the industry. It's solid so that you can use it for storage, but yet it has this swing away hatch so you can put a foot pedal and access it and use it when you're sewing. Of course, we have that German designed pneumatic lift that is easy to store the machine away, but it puts it at the right level for sewing. And because we have this back leaf that's supported by 2 heavy-duty supports, this gives us ample support for you sewing a large project like a quilt. Now the drawers, it has 4 large drawers on the left of the machine, which gives more support for your fabric, of course. They have the soft touch close, as well as it has this beautiful thread storage tray that pulls out, and again you can put your thread there, and then you have organization in the top drawer so that you can store all your notions that's needed for sewing and quilting. If you want to expand your space, you can add the caddy. The caddy matches the height of the Hideaway Deluxe, adding more drawers. It even has a leaf that expands back as well to give more back support. And of course, we have those wonderful soft touch drawers and the thread organizer. The Comfort Deluxe offers a solution for those who have both a sewing machine and a serger, or maybe just when you want a little extra space to set up an ironing station. What's unique about this cabinet is this swing away platform that supports a serger. But the nice thing, you also have storage for that serger. This platform swings out, so it makes it easier to store and put your serger away. It also has SewFine's unique thread storage right beneath that. On the door, you have plenty of shelves to store additional notions. This also has the German designed pneumatic lift system so that you can store away your machine, position it at the proper sewing height, or bring it up entirely to use the open arm. This large cabinet can fold away again to be a beautiful sealed cabinet where you don't see any machine from the outside. The Quilter's Petite was designed for those who have a limited space, but when sewing a quilt or bulky fabric, you need to have more space. So it expands in 3 different configurations. First, you can just open it up in a compact configuration for just a small project. You can add a leaf and swing it out to the left of the machine, giving support, or you can pull the back leaf, which gives you the ultimate support for that quilt project. It comes in a variety of colors, and of course it has that German design pneumatic lift so you can position it in storage, you can bring it to that right sewing position, or you can bring it up all the way to use your open arm. The cutting station is the perfect solution for cutting, sewing, and storage. This cutting station comes completely assembled and is sturdy enough to even support the larger embroidery machines. You can configure this with a leaf open on one side or both. And inside, there's plenty of storage, drawer space, even storage suitable for your machine that you might want to position up and use as an embroidery station. The large area is at the right height for cutting, and you also have plenty of storage for your fabric. To purchase one of the SewFine cabinets, click on the link to visit our website or call us at 1-800-865-9664. Bye for now.